It's a start to healing as the man accused of killing a pit bull after he set the dog on fire was sentenced to 5 years. Joshua Hill took a plea deal and will serve 5 years in prison for killing Tommy the pit bull last February. Tonight, many people feel justice was served. Eric Perry spoke with Richmond Animal Care and Control. And Eric, they played a huge part in trying to save the dog's life and also bring Hill to justice.
Yeah, Diane, Christy Chips Peters and her team at RACC says it's a sigh of relief. This case is the worst they've ever seen, and they hope to never experience anything like this again.
It's the best we could have hoped for, honestly.
It's a day of closure for Christy Chips Peters and others as the man who burned Tommy the dog and left him for dead was sentenced to 5 years in prison.
It ticks every box that we could have possibly asked for, so we're thrilled.
It's the maximum sentence for 20-year-old Joshua Hill, and the judge did not allow the possibility of parole. He will also have 3 years of post-release supervision by the court and is banned from owning or possessing animals for life. Hill is accused of tying up Tommy the pit bull to a fence in Abner Clay Park back in February, covering the dog with a flammable liquid and setting him on fire. The dog suffered burns to more than 40% of his body and died 5 days later.
We didn't believe that that was the reality. And then once we saw Tommy in that state, it just sort of hit home like no other case had.
It's a case that shocked people around the world. Millions of people followed Tommy's story and donated over $100,000 since the event.
It was just such a wonderful communication of community that came through in sort of our darkest hour.
That dark hour continuing as Peters had to face Hill in court.
I caught myself like trying not to get emotional because it brings it all back a little bit.
Hundreds of tips from the community came in to help get Hill off the street. Peters hoped the community will keep that same energy for other cases around the city.
And not just for our four-legged friends. That there are many cases that RPD is working on that they don't have any information.
Now, after Tommy's case became public, Virginia passed Tommy's Law, which actually stiffens penalties for animal abuse. The law went into effect July 1st. Eric Perry, NBC 12 News.